Just wanted to tell you about our saffron syrup. Saffron syrup is made of 4 different ingredients: organic apple cider vinegar, raw honey from Sunshine Coast, Persian saffron, and whole mint. That's all we use in this product. There is no preservatives, there is no chemicals, any artificial coloring or anything else. This is for all the people who love to drink our saffron drink, but they live overseas or they live far away. So they buy this syrup and they make their own drink. Basically, they ferment their own saffron drink at home. You don't have to ferment it. You can also use it with just soda water or regular water, just like a cordial. Basically, pour about 1/5 in a glass and then fill it up with cold water. And it's a beautiful drink. It's full of probiotics and prebiotics. It's if you ferment it, it goes even further. It's amazing for your gut. If you don't ferment it, just by itself, it has a beautiful flavor. You can use it in making cocktails, like mixing it with spirits and things like that, with vodka, gin, whiskey. You can also use it as a salad dressing. All you have to do is add this to some olive oil, salt and pepper, maybe a squeeze of lemon, and it creates a beautiful salad dressing with a beautiful color. That's our saffron syrup. Any questions, any concerns, please send me a line and I will answer you straight away.